A private Instagram account is a great way to keep strangers from creeping on your child's Instagram, but it doesn't protect them from another danger: all of the inappropriate content other people make. Instagram is constantly directing a rotating stream of new photos, videos, and people to its users, and they definitely make it easy with the Explore page. A quick tap on the magnifying glass showcases a never-ending feed of suggested posts. But you can also search for anything. Nudity and sexual content can be found in a matter of seconds. Instagram takes down posts that violate their community guidelines, but the process isn't instant and guidelines are questionable. To get around censored terms, users get creative with spelling like B00BS. In addition to sexual content, kids may stumble upon other harmful posts, including depictions of disordered eating, self-harm, and graphic violence. Parenting in a tech world is hard. Join me and over 100,000 parents in the Parenting in a Tech World Facebook group to get help with raising kids in the digital age.